All right. So, firstly, yeah, do the structure streaming task, folks. Don't worry, we have the doubt sessions open all the time. As I hope you know the discussions what we had yesterday, right? 30 folks. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
doubt sessions are always open all the time. So these two, what I just executed, Kafka writes and for Cassandra writes for each batch. Even though video is available, I showed you the execution, but still give a try, complete the task. Doubt sessions are always open Monday to Friday. So don't worry. Yeah. So coming to the topic. Yeah. So when we started our batch, folks, 30 folks?
28th August.
August 28th.
August 28th.
August 28th. So how was the journey? Roller coaster side. How was the journey, folks?
It's good side.
Aribula.
Without you, roller coaster, Sai. With you, not roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Oh, okay.
Productive side.
We've learned a lot, sir.
So nobody's got any
We don't
panic
know
mode,
what
right?
to do on Saturday, Sunday, side. After the 20 months.
Anyway, thanks a lot for all of your time, folks. Basically, yeah. So I know that it's gonna be a kind of see, none of the batches are so tough, to be honest. All right. So we make it as a missions completely. It's a very big mission for all of us to start with, basically. So obviously. So batch 30, folks, can you please put your presence as joined in the WhatsApp group? Just put as joined. Just put as joined. Yeah.
Sir, actually dropping off, sir. Actually,
yeah, sure. No worries. Thank you. Yeah. So 32 folks, please put as joined in our WhatsApp groups. The WhatsApp group which you are added, you can put as joined. Okay. So even yesterday, 30 folks, we had some discussions on how that works, but still, don't stop your learning, folks. You cannot stop our learning at any time. The reason why I'm telling you right now is that we should be at a situations where the learning should not be stopped. The reason why I'm telling you is going ahead, every tool gets, even WhatsApp is getting upgraded, or Messenger is getting upgraded, Facebook is getting upgraded. Every application gets upgraded, inclusive of our knowledge should also be upgraded. Yeah, we started around 5 to 6 months ago. We saw so many roller coaster rides. We saw so much of learning we had. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Yeah, there are so many rejections. There are so many selections happened altogether. So we ended up with offers. We started with rejections. So many folks got offers here. So what I would suggest all of you, right? Batch 30 to 30 folks, don't stop the learning. Doesn't mean that if the course is getting completed, okay, I can relax. No, don't sit back and relax on Saturday. Always, Saturday, Sunday, always spend some 1 hour or 2 hours on the new learning, folks. No problem, right? In spending some time on new learning. 1 hour to 2 hours are fine, right? 30 folks. Yeah. It has become a complete habit for all of you right now. Currently, it has become, should have been a part of your life already. Correct? So, don't stop your learning. Spend some time, productive time on Saturday and Sunday, just for 1 hour or 2 hours every week. Something to learn. Okay, you're going ahead, you thought of seeing something as Docker. Something Docker. See what is Docker next week. Next, see what is Kubernetes. Then let's see something new, like what I can do with this scenario, what I can do in Azure. Okay, create a login in Azure and check how that works. So don't stop your learning. A slow learning every day creates a lot of consistency. A lot of consistency is required going forward, folks. So my only request is, you already got used to the learning right now. Okay, something new. Yeah, okay. 6 months is not so, 5 to 6 months is not so small. It's so big. Right, all of you 30 folks, you agree my point? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it's a very huge for us. Now, new folks are coming up with very new aspirations and very new dreams. So I should be a part of I will be part of their particular dreams and making them to complete the mission. Doesn't mean that you're out of Zeyobron. Once you're a Zeyobronian, you're always been Zeyobron. There is no doubt about it. Doubt sessions are always open. Any kind of a questions, come and get clarified. But only thing I request all of you, don't stop. Okay, yeah, few folks got offers. Many folks got offers. Few folks are yet to get offers. You who are trying it, don't stop. I get a very constant message. So I attend this interview. That didn't go well. I attend this interview. This went well. See, interviews are not in our hands, folks. 30 folks, I'm telling you. So let's not have that kind of a mindset. Okay, if I got rejected, I'm not. Nothing like that. Even Naveen, Manoj, Sudeep, everyone who got offers, this Kavya, who had got these offers, they started with the rejections, right? All of you agree my point? Those who got selected?
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
Start with rejections. It would start with rejection. See, rejections are the part of the process, folks. But what I would suggest, don't give more than a month time. Try to hit it within 1 month from now. The reason you're on heat right now, you're almost on heat of this learn. You're a very fresh people who learned completely the full stack big data right now. So don't lose the seat. Continue in the same, fight the same. So those who got offers, it's already there. So they might have showed all their experiences already. So not just offers, folks, continue your learning. Okay, I have to spend some time. Self-learning is always good. But the problem here is prioritizing. Okay, if I have a session, if I give a follow-up, folks will come and join and lengthen them. They get their inputs. But if I don't, there is no push from my end. My end push is completed. We have spent enough time. It's time to push yourself more than the boundaries. Getting it batch 30, folks. Getting it or not?
Yes.
So there is a saying of Elon Musk, okay, but Elon Musk has told there is no stoppage for learning because there is no champion, there is no even the founder of big data doesn't know the complete form of big data. Anything might happen at any time. Every day is a learn. Having this in the confidence, folks. Yeah, I'm with a lot of happiness and confidence that you will do further and make further more steps in life. I wish you all the best for all of you. Yeah. So I believe I didn't dissatisfy anyone, right? Hope I'm not, right? So hope you're happy with the training, all of you.
Excellent.
Yes, I.
Yes.
No more
Productive.
Yes, I.
Very productive.
All right. So hope you have to promise me that you not stop the learning. That you have to do. But don't worry. I'm planning something to interact all of you. All the external batches. What I'm planning to do is I'll be allocating half an hour time in the IST mornings. Right? You can connect to the same bridge and interact with every day, Monday to Friday. I'm making a time availability. Mostly I'm planning to have 9 to 9:30 in the morning. Getting my point, all of you. I'll confirm on my status. Every day, Monday to Friday, any ex-batchmates or current batchmates can connect between 9 to 9:30 in the morning to interact with me, to clarify doubts and whatever. Got my point? Yeah? In this bridge, I'll be available. Hope that helps, right? Yeah?
Great.
Yes.
Sir.
Very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
That would help. And
Yes,
don't stop fighting. Okay, I'll update the timings and confirm timings and update the status. Okay, now coming to the point. Batch 30 folks, hi. 32 folks.
Hi, Sai.
Hi, Sai.
Hi, sir.
Basically, batch 30 folks, you interacted with batch 28, right? You remember 30 folks? Yeah. You interacted with batch 28, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Right?
Yes, I.
On that day in August, right? In August, you might be having some lot of aspirations, or the discussions happen those days. So whenever we have a kind of you might be having with the new dreams and all. So at least like now it's time for you. At least if you get some time, batch 32 folks need some inputs. The reason here is if you can give some inputs, okay, how to handle this course efficiently. Later on, we can have the questionnaire round from batch 32 folks. Okay, anyone from batch 30 folks, can I have some inputs to what is your advice to batch 30 folks? Not technically, please. There are from non-techs and techs here. Not technically. No, nothing on the syllabus side. 30 folks. Just tell them what should be followed from them to make it efficient, to make it work better. Somehow I'll do my best. I'll try to do my best. But what kind of a measures batch 32 folks should be taken care as a part of this next 5 to 6 months, of course. 30 folks, anyone can give some inputs to them.
Yeah, Sai, this is Lavanya. So, hi everyone. So, actually, I got 3 offers.
Yeah, go ahead.
The main credit goes to Sai.
No, not
so. Thanks, Sai, for your for your great teaching and great rules you have mentioned in as part of this training. First thing I would like to say is if you follow the Sai thumb rules, so 50 of the we can make it a success So 50% it covers. So I mean thumb rules in a sense, I think Sai will cover also as part of training. So whatever tasks Sai provided, during the course, so it's really helpful. So as part of interview and even for real time also. So this one, 50% we can cover here, and daily. Even not only Saturday, Sunday, at least daily, half an hour to 1 hour, better to spend on this course. So definitely we'll make it a success to get greater offers. Yeah, this is what I can say. So I'm very happy with this course.
Oh, thanks, Avi. Thanks for that.
Hi, Sai.
This is
Suman.
Yeah.
Sumit, go ahead, Sumit.
Yeah, I have one offer. That's a good offer and 85% hike. First offers. I have add only one point for the who's don't know the sequel. That's some size. Everything is given the good rules. Thumbs rules is follow, and SQL query is also adding minor because there's an interview question. There the write
Not on the
some
technical
query.
side, Sumit. Folks doesn't know what is SQL is first of all. Many non-IT folks has joined. Yeah. We'll discuss on that. The reason why I'm telling you is few of the non-IT folks who are from the mechanical background, they doesn't know what is SQL. Technically, we'll discuss. Like, let's discuss on something like what are the measures they have to take care during the course. Not technical side, non-technical side. Okay. Practice side, doubt sessions, assignments.
Only thumbs rules is follow. That's a good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hi, Sai. Manoj.
Yeah, Manoj.
Yeah. The main thing is like, hi guys. So the main, I think I have considered as 3 as main rules. One is the thumb rules that we need to follow, and the task that Sai shares in every weekend, like that needs to be completed on the day itself. So we'll be thinking like we can postpone it, but the scenario is like if the days goes on, that will be in uncompleted state. So why am I stressing on this point is like, so the tasks that we get on the weekend, so those are the main tasks that we get on the interviews. So those are the tasks like Sai has made those tasks in such a way that we will be able to crack those in the interviews that we appear. So that is the main thing, and we no need to worry if we do not complete the task. Like we'll be having the doubt sessions. That is one of the major advantage of this course. So that we can go through from Monday to Friday. Like we'll be having doubt sessions posted. So that will be helpful a lot to build up. And main thing is like right, like weekends, mornings, waking up, that will be tough. But if it goes on, like if you make yourself consistent and keep trust on Sai, like you can blindly follow him whatever he says, and I think you can achieve whatever your dreams are. Yeah. And thank you, Sai, for guiding us.
Sai, this is Nandish. I would like to say something like, you hear from everyone the thumb rules. Please follow the thumb rules. Okay, anyone who speaks over here, I think from 30 minutes they will talk about the thumb rules. Please, whatever Sai gives the thumb rules, please follow the thumb rules. Everything will fall in place. And secondly, initially when Sai starts taking the session, he will be a tutor, and going forward, as the session grows up, he will become your mentor. I'm telling you, he will be. He will be a good mentor, not in only giving up the or teaching the concepts, but yes, it gives you a hands-on. You don't see anything theory over here. Most of the things, whatever you see, is hands-on. Hands-on is required for anything. Each and everything will be in a detail, steps given to you, and you can just follow those hands-on, or you can just do the hands-on. I think that will clear your the subject details. Other than that, yeah, doubt session. Each and every after each and every session, there is a task which will be given to you guys, which you have to do. And yes, after 2 or 3 hours after giving the task, there might be a post coming with the resolution document or a video, which will help you. But I would say please go with the task first, then go for the resolution document or sessions. After that, yes, from Monday till Friday, that is something like, okay, when the next session which starts, there will be a doubt session which will be handled by a person called Ema Chandra. I think she's a good person. Anything related to big data, yes, she will really help you out on the task, and even any questions or answers which you require, I think she will be able to answer you guys. But I'll tell you, please follow the thumb rules. Everything will fall in place. That's what I can say.
Thank you, Nandish. Thanks a lot.
I will come back to you, Sai. I have some doubts maybe tomorrow.
Sure. We'll discuss.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right. One sec, Vishal. Sorry. See, first of all, batch 32 folks who got some info on that. I mean, not about me, leave about me. Even the folks talk about me, like, don't take it as, I'll do my best and I'll do my job. First of all, you got something about the course to be more and more effective. 32 folks, first of all. Can you understood basic idea of it? What folks just told?
Sir. Yes, sir.
See, firstly, what Nandish has told, the one major point what Nandish has told is, every session after you have assignments to complete, you will get the solution document. I'm not denying it. Within 2 to 3 hours, you'll get the solution document, resolution document, a solution execution video for that assignments would be there. But let's not have a kind of a place for thumb rules to be skipped. See, we started from August last year. We are ending up right now in February. Many folks ended up with offers also. See, the people are staying consistent. The file which we have initially, folks actually, personal or professional or whatever, those who stick on to the plan, so and more consistency, that creates a lot of impact in the future. See, now, right now, like Sudhit is talking, Sumit is talking, and Manoj spoke that he got the offers. Lavanya spoke that she got the offers. So why they're talking like in proud, okay, I got the offers is what the course has been called. Because the first of all, leave about me. See, folks, I have to work hard. There is no doubt about it. That's my job. That's my responsibility. Blah, blah, blah. Kind leave it. But the efforts what batch 30 folks who got the offers put, the efforts what they put is completely enormous. It's big, mountain level. See, it's not so, okay, non-IT folks coming and joining, whether it is possible. IT folks coming, nothing like that. Even so many gap folks, non-IT folks, everyone got offers here. So it's not like that. Making it simplified, making this course simplified is my job. I'll definitely take care of it. But where you have to be very strong enough is 32 folks, you have to stick on to the plan. Okay, if I say attend the session, attend the session. If I say complete the assignment, complete the assignment. If I say complete the project, complete the project. Don't go out of the plan. Rome cannot be built in a day. Simple. Results cannot be seen in one day. You need a consistent result. You need a consistency. Consistency is a prior key for success. Hey, what's there? I'll not attend the session. Sai will provide videos. No, videos are not meant for it. Try to understand. Videos are not meant to skip the sessions, which is a very greatest threat for the failure. So what I would suggest all of you, batch 30 folks, whenever we're going to stick with it. Batch 30 folks has crossed the entire 150 hours of course time. They know what happens in phase 2, phase 3, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Completely they got everything. Non-IT folks got offers, as I told you. Gap folks, Kavya, having 8 years of gap, got offer. Non-IT folks got offer. IT folks got offers. See, what I would suggest, so stick on to one particular plan. Just go as per that. This plan will go as such. The plan for the next 5 months to 6 months will go as such. No change in the plan. Maybe some enhancements would happen. But 1 week, okay, Saturdays, Monday to Friday, do your work. Saturday, Sunday, allocate for this. If you spend some time, get some time to spend. But Saturday, Sundays are very high here. 3 hours session on Saturday, 3 hours of session on Sunday. Maybe half an hour to 1 hour on task, half an hour to 1 hour on task, throw it off. Monday to Friday, do your job. By doing just that particular consistency, you will see results from third to fourth month itself. The target is, before the course gets ended up, you should be ended up with an offer. If you go on a right pace, without any delays. Got my point, 32 folks? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. Batch 32 folks, you have any questions to batch 30 folks, you go one by one. But batch 30 folks, if you want to leave, then leave. If you get some time, please help 32 folks. It will really be helpful. 32 folks, you have any questions to our folks?
Hi, and 30 folks, Shubham.
Go ahead. Question. Yeah.
Hi. So my question is, I am a technical person from IT background and having 10 plus years of experience. My question to 30 folks, that is anyone there having 10 plus years of experience and that person has secured an offer, and what was his experience during the interview? Like how it was, like post this course, how the
I think Lavanya, you can answer this.
Yeah, yes, I. So,
Yeah.
Hi, Shubham. So, even I have total 10 years experience. So, I am basically from ETL background. So, I mean, with respect to interview, so yeah, as you mentioned, yeah, based on the experience, we'll get a kind of more questions. Sometimes it depends on the interview person. So sometimes, so I have faced, very basic questions, and so some companies I have faced kind of more scenario based questions, but I was able to clear with respect to technical. So I have put 3 years of experience for big data. So the rest of the 7 years I mentioned as data stays. So and also I mentioned Spark mainly, and whatever Sai has been focused. So I mentioned those points in the resume. So I was able to explain very in detail. So that I have faced so most of the interviews so impressed with the explanation, mainly the complex data processing, which Sai explained very nicely. So they were impressed a lot. So yeah.
Just to add, Sai, I'm also having 8 years of experience. I was having the same dilemma as you. What will happen? 8 years experience, whether I will switch my career or not. But you have to trust someone in the life, right? So I trusted him. Then as session continues, he said one thing when we joined, join the session and keep trust on him. That's what happened. I got a couple of offers. The package which I expected, lot more than that with 8 years of experience, like 3 times of my experience. The package is too huge, and trust him, and he will guide you each and everything. And session do not miss. If you cut the flow, as he said, then you'll not get back on track. So you have to be on track, and then that all questions will be answered. You will be answered in the interview. I answered one question he asked interview yesterday. He taught that session 1 month back or 1.5 months back. So that's what you have to keep concentration, keep session continuously, and that's it. You will be, switch your career easily. That's a good spot here.
Thanks, Vishal. So Shubham, it's answered your question, right? Yeah.
Hi, Raj this side.
Yes, Raj.
I would just want to ask, I just want to understand if there is someone from UK or US market to understand how's things there, even if you're an experienced person in different fields.
I need to answer
and
this
how
question.
How the packages are working. If you're a very good package in the existing job, are you going to get similar or?
All right. Yeah, understood the context. See, anyone from UK? Folks, let's have the question and answer. So because we have many folks to answer question and answer, so let's have the question so crisp, answer so crisp. Try to understand. We have many people to answer. Any UK folks here? I think from Karthik. Karthik joined. Karthik and Naren didn't join today. I'll give the context to you directly, Raj. You can contact directly the Karthik and get it done. Yeah.
Yeah,
in WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure, thanks.
Sai, yesterday, since Raj is talking regarding UK, right? So Raj, my experience is only 2 years. I have completed my BTech in 2019, and I have attended the big data class of Sai. And one of the guy from UK has seen my profile in LinkedIn, and he just contacted me, and he was offering me £500 per day.
That must be a contract, yeah?
Yeah. It's not about the contract or something, but the demand there in UK is very huge nowadays for the big data.
No, demand is there. I agree on that. My question is, I'm on a very senior profile. I'm having very good salary. And I want to change because I'm bored with my existing
Karthik
job.
is the right person, actually, Raj. I'll give the contact number. You can directly contact him. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
Sai. Yeah.
Hi, this is Mamta here. Actually, I'm already a professional and almost 10 years of experience into non-technical field. So, my question is to people who have already passed out today. Is there anyone non-technical field from and got the job? So my question is, how was your beginning? What sort of questions you had when you started this training actually? And over a period of time, what was your confidence and how on what level are you today?
Yes, can I answer this question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, this is Kavya. Actually, my background is computer science student, but I didn't work from past 8 years. So while joining this course, I
Mamta,
came
go on
with a
mute, Mamta. You
blank
go on mute,
mind.
please. I see some background. Yeah, this can go on mute once you post your question. Go ahead.
Yeah. While I joining this course, while I joined this course, I came with a very blank mind. I have so many years gap, no, so I don't have any idea on this IT. So while first time while I talking with Sai, I have told him the same thing. So Sai, how can I learn this and how can I crack the job? So he told me like, Kavya, don't worry. Some from previous batches also, some people got like me, they got jobs. So he gave me some idea. So he told me one thing like, come with a blank mind, listen to the like the thumb rules. Everybody told no, follow the thumb rules, stay consistent. This is the main thing we need to follow from the start of the course till the end of the course. We have to stay consistent, maintain the consistency. So from the at the start we have that enthusiasm to learn the new things, so we'll join the sessions on time. But later on some people will don't they can't they'll skip the sessions, or sometimes they'll skip the assignments like that. But we need to maintain the enthusiasm till on the first day we have the same enthusiasm. We need to continue the same thing till the last session like today. We need to consistent, and we need to follow that very main thing which helped me a lot is like that hands-on in the class, and the assignments tasks which Sai gave. They gave like they are like a practical execution we'll do no. So not only the theory, that practical explanation, the practical hands-on will gives more confidence to us, like non-technical people, or the gap with which I have. So I've prepared whatever the Sai told. I've prepared the notes, and I have prepared that notes. So I've started attending the interviews. At starting, I have many rejections. After some 5 interviews, I got my first offer, and another, and again after I got some rejections, and again I got the second offer. Like I have got 2 offers. So it's like so people around me are are in shock. They're in big shock. Like, how can you crack the job without completing the course itself? They think like after completing the course, I'll take some 6 months to prepare, and then I'll crack the job. But before the course completion itself, I got the job. So you need to maintain the consistency, and you need to listen to each and every word of the Sai which told in the class, and do the tasks and hands-ons on time. Yeah, thank you so much, Sai.
Thanks, Kavya.
Thanks, Kavya.
Mamta got it. Yeah.
Hi, I'm
I
Sai.
have a question.
Sai,
Can I go?
yes, yes, please, Sai. I want to say something. Please, if anybody is coming, please raise that hand, because
Hold on.
everybody.
Many folks doesn't know how to handle the meeting also. I understand. Hold on. I understand. First of all, many folks doesn't know. Few folks are very new to the Zoom meeting. First of all, we cannot expect that to happen. So go one by one. I'm handling the traffic already. Sorry to say this. Many folks doesn't know about the hands also here, raising the hand in steps. So kindly consider, right? Not like we, many of us know all the things. So kindly consider. Yeah. Someone was asking some question. Yeah.
I say Arindam here.
Yeah.
Arindam.
So my question is, which phase was most challenging? Phase 1, phase 2, or phase 3? And after completion of phase 2, are you confident enough to appear for interview, or it took some
All right,
more
that's a good
to-
question. Yeah, I understood the context. The context here is which phase was very tough for all of us. After which phase you got the confidence? Batch 30 folks. I know the answer, but I want to hear.
All three.
After second phase, like you
After
can start.
second phase.
Yeah, after phase 2. That should be the answer. See, answer is phase 2. Phase 2, not challenging, I could say. See, none of the phases are challenging, first of all. Because my job is to make it not challenging. See, firstly,
I will make everything very easy.
no, Naveen, hold on. So, see, firstly, after phase 2, you get your interview process get started. So, phase 2 is a check milestone. Any of the folks, batch 32 folks, Kumar, I spoke already, I keep mentioning about phase 2 completion as a first milestone. Yes or no, 32 folks? I keep mentioning in the time when we discuss also, correct? Phase 2.
Yes.
Is there something? That phase 2 is a game changer, actually. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 2 is a game changer. Now, how Kavya, Lavanya, or Naveen who are saying they got the offers, that phase 2 changed the game. Still, we ended phase 3 today. These folks got offer a month ago, 3 to 4 weeks ago itself. After phase 2. So there is a pattern. Okay, these are the things I have to mention in the resume. This is how the project has to get supplemented. This is how the project passage works. These are the set of interview questions. These are the performance tuning areas. So that areas happens in phase 2. Even all of them should have got interview audios, access for the interview preparation during phase 2 itself, in mid of phase 2. So phase 2 is a game changer. Getting it? Yeah. Yeah. Answers your question? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Hi, Vikram here.
Yeah, Vikram.
Yeah, I have a question. So Sai, I was going through different institutes and trying to understand the syllabus. And so as far as I know, it was very basics or the topics which they are covering were not used in real time. So I had a lot of confusion. So I just want to understand, does this syllabus covers the topics which we can use later on in the real time projects? So I want to understand from the 30 batch that since they have attended the interview, so the kind of topics covered here, will it cover everything when we go for a real-time project, or do we need to prepare ourselves on something other topics to crack the interview?
Yes, what Sai is teaching, everything will be covered in interviews. So I have attended multiple interviews, and with that experience, what I can say is 80% of the topics and 80 to 90% of the topics will be in the real time as well. Why? Because all of them will be asking scenario based questions. There we can include the topic which the Sai has given to us. Everything will be covered. The no issues in that. It's all real time project. Why? Because Sai is a real time developer, right? So he knows what to teach and what not to teach. So that's it. Everything will be covered.
Hi, this is Ben here. While you have this question, I have a follow-up question with this. So, I mean, do we have any kind of a projects at the end of every sessions, or how does it goes? I just want to understand that point.
Yes, within after completion of one phase, if we complete phase 1, there will be a real-time project, which Sai will give you, and he will explain all the architecture, and that should be projected in your interviews. After phase 2 also, he will give you a project, and you need to project it, and you need to connect those both two phases projects.
And be giving the project passages also mentioned. Don't worry. The architecture, project passages, project documents, data sets, and so don't worry.
Everything will be given.
Yeah.
Hello, Sai.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. That makes sense.
Yeah,
Sai,
thank you.
I just have one question. In real time these days, most of the companies are asking either for Azure or for AWS. Does this course will cover those?
Oh, that's a good question. This is already discussed. We are covering AWS. Okay. Next question. We are already covering AWS. The syllabus is already covered. I believe we have already discussed with everyone. AWS we are covering. Yeah, to the max. Yeah. Who's next?
Hi, Sunil Kumar. This is Sunil Kumar.
Folks, last 5 minutes for this. Okay. Let's not kill much of our time from batch 30, folks. One sec, folks. Give me a minute. We left out the last 5 minutes of time to interact with batch 30 folks. Let's not kill much of their time because they're already tired after 6 months, of course. They need some break. Okay. So we can ask some questions. Yeah, I understand this interaction is important. We'll make it as productive we can, but we have to leave those folks. I'm okay to stay back, but still other folks, batch 30 folks need some rest. Yeah.
I'm Sunil Kumar.
Yeah.
I would like to know, I'm from mainframe background, and I mean, it is like a now ETL background. So I would like to hear from them, and I even wanted to touch with them after the
Okay, I understood,
course.
Sunil. Understood this meeting. See,
I
understood
can
the
answer this
context.
question.
Let's stick onto the context, folks. Let's crisp your context. Let's not grab it. Let's script to the context, okay? Yeah, understood. I'm from mainframes. How that works. The question should be like this. Please, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Sai. Namita this side.
Yeah, you can answer it. Batch 30 folks, someone said they'll answer this question.
Yes, Sai, this is Madhu.
Yeah, Madhu, go ahead, Madhu.
Yes, I'll be having total of 3.8 years in mainframe. So I have basically my role is production support in mainframes. So when I came to the before coming to this Zeyobron, I was thinking like my life will be ended up in the mainframes. But when I came to this Zeyobron, so before completing the second phase, I have been ended up with 4 offers to having 120% of hike. So you need not to worry about the tech you have. The basic thing is we need to follow the thumb rules what I gave, and we need to complete the task each and every week. That keeps us a good position. So we did not worry about the mainframes and everything that you have right now.
Sure. Thanks, Madhu. Yeah, thanks a lot, Madhu. You understood that question, Sunil? Yeah. All right. So, folks, what I would suggest, let's stick on to a crisp question and crisp answers. The reason we don't have time, we have to handle multiple questions, and also we can give maximum of five more minutes to handle the questions. Anything later, I'll make few of the folks to interact with you later. But I know questions will never be gone down. The questions will never go down. I know that. I definitely know that. But my request to all of you, let's stick on to the context. Let's stick on to the crisp questions and crisp answers. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Next.
Hi, Sai.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Sai. Sai, this is Namita. And my question will be to Kavya. She has 8 years of gap is what she mentioned. And she has cracked interviews also. Like she's got the offer.
Question.
Yeah, sorry. So hi Kavya. My question is with the gap you mentioned, and you cracked almost, 3 interviews you said, or whatever interviews you said.
Yeah.
2. So how was the experience? Like, was the interview into the gap you had? How did you cover up the gap and all that?
Okay, I'll answer that because I'm the one who covered the gap. We covered the gap actually.
Okay.
See, we created the experience for Kavya. Who are having a gap, we created it. So I don't want to mention the Kavya's full name because that should not be out. So we created experience for Kavya. Not just Kavya, we created experience for many folks who are from non-IT background. Non-gap. See, non-IT background is okay. Who are having a gap, for them we have to create. Non-IT background having a different experience, we can use the same experience, you don't worry. But if there is a gap, then we have to fill it up. Simple. Getting it, Namita? We filled up, basically.
Sai?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Go ahead.
It is using the programming language.
So I'm not able to hear your voice. Sorry. Can you put in the chat? Yeah. Who's next? Voice is low. Yeah.
This is Shravan. I have a question about phase 1 concepts. Whatever we learn in phase 1, will we keep using in the phase 2 as well, or we have to keep up to date?
Technical. I'll tell you that. I'll answer later. That I can answer you. Don't worry. Yeah, that I can answer you.
Ravi.
Okay. Hold on, folks. First and foremost request. Technical part I can handle. Regarding the course, please have it. I know that few questions are in between technical and course. Hardly we have 2 more minutes time. Yeah, the questions will never go down. I know that. But however, we can make use of to the max with this interaction. Last 2 more minutes, or I can max allow 6 more minutes till 12 o'clock IST. So to interact with those folks. But yeah, I understand. Questions will not go down, but still let's stick on to few areas. I see few folks raises your hands, few folks have never raised hands, but if I go one by one, that will not come out any intent with the crowd which we have. So let's go one by one shortly. Crisp to your question. Straight to the question. Leave about what happened so far. Leave about what's going to happen later. Crisp to the question. Straight to the question. that's it. My request. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sai, one question. Opportunity will be there, right? Out for a person who is not great at academics, like no 60%, 10, 12, and from sales background and trying to get into big data. Is anybody out there whom I can speak?
See,
maybe I can answer it.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the right guy. Tell me. Yeah.
Yeah. In BTech, I have 57%, bro.
Still, I was working in one of the product-based company right now, and still I have 7 offers in my hand.
You are technical background. All your experience background is technical.
No, I started my career in BPO Infosys. Then I have jumped to technical in Dell. Now I'm currently working in Dell, and now I have 7 offers in different companies. Even my package is very high now. Even I got 20 plus of 20 plus lakhs in the current companies in big data profile.
More than
Nice.
me. More than me. More than me. Yeah.
Fine, I would like to have his number if you allow.
Yeah, Sudeep, it's like
Yeah, please. Yeah, fine. Anytime. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Guys,
can.
regarding so if there are any questions regarding the salary hikes, no, believe me, I have got like around 300% of hike, some 260 to 280. Since I am only 2 years experience guy, and my package was only 5 lakhs, and I work in TCS, only 2 years experience. So I literally fell down into some 16 now. And there are companies, they are offering around 20, but I got scared by seeing their packages and all. So I need to work in real time for an year or two, and then I need to switch again.
But your 2 years experience was into technical or non-technical?
Yes, it was in technical. I work as SAP BO admin in TCS.
So did they ask any question related to your past experience or only
No,
about
I have kept
current?
like, since my experience is only 2 years, so I just projected them as 2 years experience. I was in big data itself.
Okay.
Till 3 years, you can.
Non-technical doesn't have much differences, to be honest. Okay. See, being an admin. See, I was a manual tester, to be honest. I was a manual tester. Manual tester, functional tester, just like a non-IT folks. So don't worry on that area. Like how we showcase, that would come into picture. So don't worry. All right. Yeah.
Yes, I can comment on this. So even I too got 100% ICO, even though I have a 10 years experience. So I am very happy.
Thanks, Lavanya. Yeah. So one sec, folks. One sec. So for predominantly profiling, okay. See, I see a common questions like, hey, I am from non-IT. I'm from mainframes. I'm from non-technical. I'm from technical. I'm from ETL. So first of all, profiling doesn't matter. We have only 2 types of categories of folks always. It's not like technical, not technical. No. According to Zeyobron, we have only two types of categories of people here. Number 1 category, without experience, with experience. Simple. Without experience and with experience. Without experience means, like how Kavya mentioned, Kavya having 8 years of experience, but she got offers. Without experience, we will fill it. With experience, that can be technical, that can be non-technical, that can be mainframes, that can be ETL, that can be either way you want, .NET, development, testing, production support, whatever. That all of them, even non-technical folks, comes under experienced folks. What I mean to say is, folks, just to simplify it, Zeyobron looks into two categories. That's it. Okay. Experience, non-experienced. Doesn't mean that we have restrictions, folks. Both of them got placed in batch 30. ITs and non-ITs. That's it. Doesn't mean. And here, non-experienced means gap folks. All right. This can be irrespective of the country, folks. Irrespective of the country, irrespective of the technicality, irrespective of non-technical, doesn't matter. We'll treat you the same. Because treat you in sense, not in teaching. In teaching, I have to take care of it. But experience-wise, putting in the resume, don't worry. First of all, batch 32 folks, if you remember it closely or not, when I interacted with you, first 5 minutes, I'll get to know your profile. You know everyone. Nobody can say no for it. Correct? First, I'll verify your profile. Correct? Batch 32 folks, can you think about it?
Yes.
Yeah. First, I'll verify your profile. If I only after I verify, check the possibility. I'll check only 2 things, only 1 thing. I'll check the possibility, not capabilities. I'll check the possibility. Because if it is possible, creating a capabilities is my job. See, I'm not saying I'm great, I'm doing best. No. I'll try to do the best always. But see, experienced folks, whether non-technical, number of experience doesn't matter, folks. There is a person who placed with non-technical with 1 year. The person who plays with non-technical with 14 to 15 years also here. So don't worry about the experience. Don't worry about the technical. There is a way to go. Okay, this is part. See, not all the folks who got placed like Kavya, Sudeep, or Naveen, or Vishal, Sumit, or who spoke right now, Manoj, who spoke right now. Not all the have the same experience, number of experience, not the same technology, not everyone is IT, non-IT, nothing like that. But there's a way to project your profiles. Yeah. That I'll tell you how to profile, but still I'm telling you, there is a way to project your profiles. Okay. This is where I have to go to talk to them. This is the way I have to say them. These are the points. That I'll tell you, but ensure that you do it. That means stick on to the plan. Why they keep on mentioning about the thumb rules is thumb rules is nothing but one among the thumb rules. Just stick on to the plan. What is? That's very important. So understood, right? Don't worry about, hey, I am this much of experience. I have sales. No, nothing like that. I am from sales background. I am from this much. I do not have a closure of cutoff of 60. That's fine. You fall under experience category. Don't worry. Definitely it is possible. Even non-experience, it is possible for everyone, folks. The only non-possibility is, to be honest, the higher secondary folks. Few times I get a call, I just complete my 12th. Is it possible? What? Come on. You have to complete a degree. Only that not possible. But a degree should be there, irrespective of the degree, whether it is BSc, BCom, engineering, doesn't matter for me. Degree doesn't matter. The only thing, medical side, I got a call from BDS folks also. I'm doing a BDS, I want to come to IT. No, I said it is not possible. Degree can be anything. BCom, BSc, as I told you, BTech, or whatever. I just can't, irrespective of the technology you have. I'm coming non-IT, I'm working from Amazon. Doesn't matter, folks. Doesn't matter. I'm from non-IT, but I work in the technical side. I work in the medical coding, medical billing. But I completed BCom, working in medical billing. I want to come to IT. Doesn't matter. We'll do that. But there is a way. There is a roadmap that I'll be discussing it further. So don't worry, because exactly the scenario, hey, I am from testing background, whether I have testers here. Yes, we could find it. But don't worry. Unless until I didn't verify your profile, you should not be in actually. You should not been connected today. So don't worry. Got some clarity, all of you batch 32 folks? Yeah? All right, fine. All of you got it. Thank you. So all of you here got some inputs from batch 30 here today. Is it not a good interaction? Yeah. Was it helpful today? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, folks.
Definitely yes.
Let's discuss batch 30 because they're already tied of 6 months, of course, as I told you. So batch 30, folks, thanks a lot for your time. So really, your inputs means a lot to batch 32 folks. So let's meet back.
Thank you, guys.
I'm expecting.
Thank you, Sai.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm expecting some more offers in batch 30. Okay, keep me posted, folks.
Yes,
Hi,
Sai.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Sir, I actually just had an interview first round.
How was it, sir?
Sir, it went very good, sir. It was from Impetus.
Impetus, no? Oh,
Yes,
that's the
sir.
reason you left so early, no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Just
all right.
I finished off.
Perfect, sir. So first round, is it not first round?
Yes, sir. It was first round. Sir,
Who's the interviewer? What is the interviewer name?
Sir, Jitendra Singh.
Jitendra. Okay. Okay.
I have one question.
Yeah.
So this is question for you. As you are working now, so what is the work pressure? Because it's coding, right? So
see, first of all, work pressure will not be depending on the technology.
Yeah.
Work pressure will be completely on the manager. The same work pressures do have in testing also. Who told in testing it doesn't have? Nothing like that. See.
Okay. And second question, Sai, the latest version we are using, is it right? Or any competitive technology for the big data?
As of now, no. I'm not sure about the future.
Okay. So we are learning latest technology.
Obviously. Obviously. Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
All right. Thank you. All right, folks. Thanks for your time. Yeah. Sorry, folks. We gave enough time for the questions. I believe at least not 100%, at least 30 to 40% got resolved, I believe. So at least 50% got resolved, I believe. So it was an interactive session. First of all, let's discuss further. We have 5 months of course, folks. Don't worry. We'll discuss further. But batch 32, folks, was it productive? Was it useful? Just asking out of curiosity. Today?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, very productive.
Perfect, man. All right. Batch 32, folks, you can leave. My team will reach out to the further steps from next Saturday. 8:30 to 11:30 is the time. Gomati and Hema will keep reaching you with calls and things to take care. Everything will be reaching out to you. Don't worry about the video access and everything. My team will reach out to you further. So only thing, keep you posted, and meeting details, things, everything goes further. Yeah. So in case of any referrals also, the thing is like in case of any of your friends referrals also there, please let me know. Just ask them to call me. We can we can see whether, depending on the traffic or the interest, we can extend the discount ones. And as a part of referral complimentaries, obviously you'll get 2K as a referral complimentary if you refer any of your friends. I thought of updating the group, but still, since you're connected, I'm mentioning it. So thank you, folks, all of you. Thanks for accepting my request today to connect and interact with Batch 30. Really, I thought it would be really informative or interactive sessions. Thank you, Batch 30, folks. How many times how many times I tell you thanks? It's not enough. So thanks a lot for your time to stay back and inform. Patiently answers all of the Batch 30 folks. Yeah.
Thank you, Batch 30, for all your support you all have given us.
Also.
Thank you. We will see you soon.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sai.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you, Sai.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And so, okay, Hema, I doesn't know that you connected, Hema, actually.
Yes, Sai. Is connected by 11, Sai. Tell me.
Then I'll tell you, I'll call you. We have some work today.
Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah, Batch 30, please post us once you get a job. And if you have any issues, you all can join the doubt session. After the course, it is payable. Before the course, it is not.
Payable.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hema.
Take the doubt section.
Yeah, it's joking. You all can join anytime. Yeah.
Thank you, Hema.
Thank you, Hema.
What would be the frequency of having the doubt sessions?
Every day.
Every day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 9:30 in the evening. 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Achha, okay.
Guys, you can eat our brain like me. Every time.
Yeah, you know, Hema, you have an option to lock the meeting. Okay, so if you have any,
when I'm joining, it's say lock the meeting, Sai.
Especially Sudhir joins, lock the meeting.
Joining.
Lock the meeting.
I'll hack it too.
Yeah. We are giving them new ideas, Sai, hacking and all these things. See.
All right then.
And
okay then.
Sai, I've been meaning to talk to you since last few days.
Sorry, Vardhi. No,
know.
I'll be opening that bridge every day morning. I'm going to explain that. That from Monday itself, we're gonna implement from tomorrow. We can connect to the bridge, same bridge.
Yep. Sure. Otherwise, I'll call you. I have few offers I wanted to discuss with you.
All right. Yeah, do one thing. Call me today evening by 9 o'clock. After sessions, I'll be free.
Sure.
Thank you. Sai and Hema. So I have a generic question. What are the hardware?
One sec. I don't want many folks to go on mute at a time. All right. Who wants to talk? Please go on unmute and talk. If person is talking, kindly be on mute. If the surroundings are going high, I have to mute you. I don't have any other option, folks. Please. Hardware configuration we'll discuss next week. We'll discuss. You have enough time to configure. Don't worry. We'll have enough time to configure. If not, we have plan Bs also. Don't worry. I'll tell you by start of the next week on Sunday. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Sai.
When is the next session going to start?
My team will reach out, next Saturday it is. The batch is getting started by coming Saturday. Yeah.
Sir, yesterday's
Yesterday?
Yesterday's video not yet uploaded.
Yeah, I'll upload both of them because I have that video, right? So I have to cut it out. My video.
Yeah, please.
So that's the reason I'll upload it. Yeah.
Actually, just waiting for that.
No, I'll upload it. Yeah.
Git video also, Sai, yesterday.
Yeah, and Git video by 3 o'clock today. By 3 o'clock today. Yeah.
And yesterday you told like you will share the drive details which have all this course
links. One sec, I'll upload now itself. I think I should have the link. Let me upload this, and I share the whole slides to you now itself in the announcement group. All right.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I got 128 MB.
Right. Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
Sai, I just want to know that actually right now I'm working, okay, and also in big data. So recently I got that opportunity to work on big data. So there is some misunderstanding for me. That's a data science and big data. What the difference exactly?
Let's discuss that. Let's discuss that later. Not this forum. I'll discuss with you separately. All right. Somehow next week we're gonna connect. I mean, it's this question is, I understand, but don't worry. I'll answer this question next week. I'm going to stay back and answer all of your questions next week. Don't worry. We're gonna start our batch. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Sai. This is Jayanth here.
Even I have the same question about what is big data and
Don't worry.
what is the difference between
all right. I told you. As I told you, I'll discuss. As I told you, I'll discuss. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hi, Sai, how can I get the access of live? Sai, how can I get the access of video, sir?
Wait for it. No, we haven't started anything yet. Why are we going out of the context here? Wait for it. Just an interactive session. Anything on the course side? I'll give all the inputs next week. So don't worry. Yeah.
Hi, Sai. I'm Sharanya. And we have a class on weekends and doubt session in the daily weekdays.
Correct.
Yeah. What is the time for weekdays doubt session?
Evening 8:30 to 9:30.
I have heard that you give tasks and we should complete it, implement those and submit to you. And task some work.
Correct. What is the question?
Yeah. What is the time and everything regarding that?
Everything I'll tell you next week. Everything I'll tell you. I'll tell you next week. I'll discuss with you next week. This is not the questionnaire session. Actually, this is a kind of interactive session. Next week, it's complete learning plan. I'll be giving you a complete learning. Got it? Yeah.
Sai, Mamta here.
Yeah.
It is again a question, sorry for that. But related to laptop, I mean, before your team reach out to us for software installation or something like that, what should be the laptop?
Again, Mamata, as I told you, you will have enough time for the setup. Next week, I'll inform. Don't worry. You will have 1 week to 2 weeks of time for the setup. You'll have 2 weeks of time for the setup.
No, in case if the laptop is not supporting, we have to
we have the plan B. I'll give the alternative. Everything we'll be discussing it further. So don't worry. Next week I will discuss. Okay? Please. I'm telling this to everyone. I'll discuss next week. Let's not mess this forum, folks. Let's not mess this forum. Please, okay? Yeah, because I know queries are high. I'm not denying it, but I'm keep mentioning the same statement again and again. Next week, I'll be giving you the total learning plan. Any kind of a queries, that's my job from next week for you. So please, I request, please, let's connect next week and handle it further. All right. So batch 32 folks can leave. I have some time with batch 30 folks. 30 folks, you have any questions?
Sai, regarding Telegram group.
Yeah, let me create now itself. 1 sec. I'll create now itself. 1 sec. So that if I switch off my laptop, I don't have new group, Zeyobron, big data.
Sai, Snowflake group is
Data consumption guరించి మీకు కోడ్ ఇస్తాను. అది 1 sec. Hema, why not have the Telegram? Can I have 1 person for using Telegram now here?
Yeah, I'm using Sai, Vijay.
Because I need 1 person to create the group. Sorry. Vijay. Yeah, I have. Yeah, I'll create first and then I'll give the group. Yeah, I found both Manu, Vijay, and Sudeep. 1 sec, folks. Zeyobron.
Arun, even I'm also there in Telegram.
Yeah, no worries. I'm saying share them. Zeyobron data group. Data. All right. Invite link. Copy. Yeah, share the announcement group link, folks. Yeah, 1 sec. Zeyobron. Yeah, I shared this link in Telegram. Can you folks get added, please? Zeyobron logo.
Yes.
Yeah, images.
Actually, I can see people are joining now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's imagine set photo.
Good morning, sir. Where I can get the link, Telegram link?
No, not for you, Diti. Not for you. Not batch 32. Only batch 30. After your course gets completed, you'll get the link. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. All right. All right. Batch 30 folks, anything want to discuss? 30 folks.
Only one thing, Sai. Miss you and bye.
Thanks, Sudhir. All right. I'll upload the videos and let you know, folks. And 32 folks, wait for the further instructions. My team will be checking. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sai.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Bye, team. All the best.
Thank you.
Sai.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best, 32.
All the best.
Yeah.
All the
Thank
best,
you.
32.
Thank you.
Bye.
And all the best, 30 also.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sai.
Now
All
I'm
the
feeling
best
like
to
school
30
days.
batch for your
Lagging.
interview.
School days or pass-outs are happening in farewell.
Yes, yes.
All
Yes.
right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Hema ma'am.